How to open a real account. MetaTrader 5. The first thing you want to do is register with a broker that supports MetaTrader 5. Some popular ones include these right here, and keep in mind you should always choose a broker that is licensed in your country. Then what you want to do is go to the broker's official website. So open up your browser and go to the broker's official website. Click on open a live account or register. Then you want to fill out the information with the following credentials. Just click continue or next. Then you'll need to submit some identity verifications. This can be proof of identity, which can be a passport or driver's license, as well as a proof of address. Then you want to choose MetaTrader 5 and account type. Once verified, you want to log into the broker's account. Select MetaTrader 5 as your platform. Choose a real account type, and then select your preferred currency and leverage. Then click create an account. Then you want to fund your trading account. So go to deposits and funds, and then choose the following payment method. This can be bank transfer, credit and debit card, PayPal, or crypto. Then you just want to log in. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.